Hey there mga my loves, Leo! Thank you so much sa patuloy at wala ninyong sawa na pagsuporta sa akin dito sa channel na to. At syempre, wala tayong gender here. And hi and hello new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. Welcome kayo dito sa channel na to. At sa mga returning subscribers, thank you so much sa walang sawa at walang patid ninyong suporta. So yan no, Leo, no, alamin natin rito no, ang energies at ang mga bagay na pwede ninyong i-look forward. So, let's get into your reading. So, Spirits and Angel Guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Tell me something about Leo, please. Leo, nakakita ko dito ng something tempting coming your way to the point na mapapahinto at mapapaisip ka, no? I'm getting the vibe of temptation. Like, nakikita ko yung sarili mo na ayoko, hindi pwede to. Yan. So, it doesn't have to be na yun ay tao or whatever. Pero it could be anything. Pwede rin naman na there's desire. Okay? Pero may pagpipigil, no? Iba-iba yung sitwasyon na yan. Kasi pwede yung ganito. Pwedeng meron dun na makita ka, okay, bagay na gusto mo, no? Kunwari, tingin mo is, ayun nga, may sale yung bagay na gusto mo, no? Any material things, kunwari, yung phone. Pero, nagkaroon man ng discount, pero konti lang yung nabawas, no? But this is you, iniisip mo na, ano, i-grab ko na ba to? Bilhin ko na ba to? Yan, something tempting. Yung iba naman, no, pwedeng meron kayo ritong tao naman na gugustuhan, no, to the point na pwedeng gustong-gusto mo siya, no, hindi lang basta crush, kundi like mo talaga siya, no, na as in, magkaroon ng mas intimate na connection, no, mas malalim na connection, mas makilala siya. Yan, so maaari may ganun ka, ang hirap na parang, alam mo yung commercial ng hotdog dati, no, yung I just can't get enough. Yan o, sa mga kaedad ko dyan, di ba? Yung may hotdog, nakalimutan ko anong brand ng hotdog, pero wag natin banggitin kasi hindi naman sponsored dito. So, yun yung mga babes, no? Yan, tinan natin dito. Basta ganun yung nakikita ko dito. Something tempting, nakaka-tempt, no? Pwedeng ikaw to na nagda-diet pero nakita mo yung masarap na food, no? Eh, ang ganda na ng diet mo, no? Tapos nakita mo yung food na yun, nakakatakam, no? Parang gusto mong itry. Yan. Okay? So, this could be a reading. Something tempting is coming your way. Okay, so let's get into your reading, Leo. Have here this Ace of Swords energy. Something will be revealed to you. Okay, it could be any information, truth. Okay, let's lay all the energies first on the table. Oh, okay. Wow, look at that. Ang ganda. So if this is you, no, na hindi mo inaasahan, no? Na binitray ka ng isang taong malapit sa'yo, pwedeng pamilya or malapit na kaibigan, like close kayo, no? I'm seeing a brighter future for you guys, no? Pero hindi mo na makakasama yung person na yan. Like literally, wala na siya dyan sa journey na yan, no? Sa buhay na magkakaroon ka rito, no? Sa life, sa environment na magkakaroon ka rito, hindi mo na siya makakasama rito. Okay? So, kung sino man rito yung energies na binitrain ng family, pwedeng asawa mo, no? Basta yung close mo. Romantic relationship, familia man yan, relatives, no? Or best friends, close friends, no? Nakikita ko rito, no? Na meron ditong masaya at mas magandang mundo para sa'yo, na paparating at mangyayari sa'yo, no? See, I'm seeing a lot of 10. You've got 10 of swords, which is 10, and you've got the sun, which is number 19. And when you add 19, 1 plus 9 is 10. And there you go, it's the ending of this betrayal, this hardship right here, but beginning of that happiness. And we're talking about genuine happiness, like totoo, no? At ramdam na kasiyahan at galak. So, kung sino man yan na nag-betrayed sa'yo, hindi mo na yan makakasama in this new world na paparating sa'yo. Okay? Not not because this person is not allowed anymore, but because hindi siya rito makapantay sa energy mo. So, kaya dahil doon, no, hindi siya rito pasok, no, kumbaga sa criteria, hindi siya pasok na maisali sa mundo mo dahil hindi siya umabot doon sa kalingkingan ng energy mo. Yes, alam mo mga mahal, no, kapag hindi sumaswak sa atin ang energy, ito ay dumidisconnect, no? Parang battery, 'di ba? So, dito, sa panibagong mundo mo rito, no, yung parehas lang ng mind mo, paano ka mag-isip, yung energy mo, no, yun yung mga nakikita ko, no, na maa-attract at makakapasok sa panibagong mundo mo. And nakikita ko na ito ay almost bago. Ang nakikita ko rito, lahat yan ay almost bago for you, Leo, no? Ang nakikita ko lang na nagsi-stay dyan, no, is yung family mo, of course, no, yung mom, your dad mo, no, yung pamilya mo talaga, no, na laging nandyan. At yung, alam mo na mga tao na tumayo sa tabi mo at umalalay sa'yo. At okay, naniwala na magiging successful or naniniwala sa kakayahan mo right here. So I'm seeing, that there's a lot of happiness coming your way, and I'm also seeing, no, na ang one of the New Year's resolution mo is to impok money or mag-save ng money right here. No? So, hindi ko alam kung ba't natin nakita yung ang diary ng Pulube ba yun? Or Pulube, no? So yeah, it's that red cover. So hindi po ako promoter niyan. Pero it's like this is you. Okay, you could be realizing here to save more money, or you want more money to save, no? For you to be able to invest it into, okay, a larger na pag-iinvestan. Okay, it's like ayaw mo mag-overspend. Gusto mo this year makapag-ipon ka. Kasi yung may ipon mo is yun yung um, gagawin mo rito na pang-suporta sa pag-iinvestan mo. And I'm seeing you na itong pag-iinvestan mo, whether that's business or career or job or whatever related to money, lalaki yan because you have here this gold, chest of gold right here. So, wow, Leo, this is what you envision, okay? This is what you are eyeing, no? Start of this year, okay? With the hangman right here, you want to have everything, no, in line to your favor. This is you envisioning the life. Alam mo, kahit ganyan yung hangman dito, nakikita ko na yung pakiramdam mo is hindi ka komportable, kundi komportable ka, no? It's like you're maintaining your energy. You're protecting your energy, you're saving your energy, and you want happiness here for your life, no? And I'm seeing you disconnecting from energies, no, na mga negatibo rito. And something here will be revealed to you. Okay, and I do sense na kung ano man yung marireveal na yan sa'yo rito, no, dati mo yung pinagdadalawang isipan. Maaring ito yung tanong mo before, yun yung nakukuha ko rito. Tanong mo before, no, like matagal mo ng tanong. Alam mo, mga mahal, no, sometimes may mga tanong tayo, no, na hindi nasasagot, no, pagtapos nating itanong yung bagay na yon. Yeah, this is general reading right here, but I do sense this energy and message right here that if you are in this type of energy that you have this question, a specific question of why things happen to you, pero hindi mo nakuha yung sagot. Now you are about to know the truth. It will be revealed to you right here, and it will just come in perfect timing. This is you, marirealize mo, no, na ito pa lang pala yung tamang oras para malaman mo at maintindihan mo kung bakit nangyari ang mga bagay na yan. To me, there are no such thing as coincidence because everything happens for a reason. Okay? Lahat ng bagay ay nangyayari dahil may rason. At kung ano man itong rason na yun, no, ay yun ay para sa iyo. Ngayon, meron kang tanong na matagal na, no? Pwedeng kunwari, ang tanong mo, no, is bakit hindi nag-work out, no, your relationship mo with your past lover. You gave too much love and effort to that person, but why does it end? Okay? Maybe yun yung tanong mo before, pero hindi mo nakuha yung sagot. But now you're receiving the question, ay the answer to that question. Okay? Now you're receiving that answer to that question, no? Na, kaya pala hindi sa akin ibinigay ni universe yung tao na yun at hindi nagpatuloy ang aming koneksyon sapagkat para pala ako sa iba. Example, ganun. See? You will definitely have the answer, and the answer just comes in right in time. So, wow, something here will be revealed to you. Kasagutan, no? Sa mga tanong mo noon, no? So, maaring yan ay masagot mo ikaw mismo at magpakita ang mga senyales at signs and clues. At pwede rin naman na ang sagot na yan ay malaman mo sa isang tao, no, na nasa buhay mo na or isa-isang kakilala mo, no? Isang bagay na tanong mo noon, no, mabibigyan na ritong kasagutan. Bongga. So, yeah, at the bottom of the deck right here, we have here the Six of Cups energy. And sorry kung nahang pala ng hindi na-focus yung ating cards right here, no? So, yeah. We also have here the star. Yeah, this is a wish na kay tagal mo nang wini-wish na I'm seeing you, na yung wish na ito, most likely this could be anything, okay, your deepest desires. But with the star and the Six of Cups, for a lot of you, this is your true soulmate. Gusto mo yung tao na pang long-term commitment talaga. At gusto mo rito, no, yung hindi lang basta partnership, no, kundi talagang magkukommit sa'yo, no, all his or her life. You want someone here to stand by your side no matter what happens. And there you go, you will receive that kind of love. Yung iba, ito yung matagal mo nang hangarin kahit na ano, no? But for a lot of you, this is a love and relationship. This is what you are wanting to attract, and you're attracting it. It's like a tornado coming in. You're creating this manifestation, and it's happening, and it's about to happen right here. Leo. So yeah, beautiful right here. See, I'm seeing you not worry anymore. I'm seeing you making, okay, this beautiful world for yourself, and everything right here is aligning, okay, in your favor. So yeah, there you go. These are your awesome messages right here, Leo. Thank you so much, honey. Sarang hayo, love and light. Annyeong.